This 2021 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 31 EV is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, DVD player, Slideout, Skylight, LP detector, microwave, oven, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, TV, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunk over cab, full wall slide. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 31 EV is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.